How to use Apple Intelligence on your Mac computer. This is available starting with macOS Sequoia 15, and I am now using it with the new macOS Tahoe 26. Apple Intelligence is seamlessly integrated across your apps to help you communicate and enhance your experiences to get more done. Apple Intelligence is not available on all Mac models, so you do need to check your compatibility. Navigate to your System Settings app, which could be found down below or by selecting the app on the top left corner. Scroll down until you see Apple Intelligence and Siri. If your computer is compatible with Apple Intelligence, it will be here on the side. So you'll toggle it to the right, select that, and then I like to turn on Enable and Ask Siri. Siri will work with Apple Intelligence. And from here, you might have to test out a few Hey Siris. You can hit the continue and go through the prompts here. Once you've gone through the prompts, Siri is ready. Select Done. Now, where to find Apple Intelligence on your computer and in your apps as you are working on your Mac computer. On the top right corner, you can select the Apple Intelligence icon located next to your date. You can add any prompts that you might need. So I asked Siri, how many days until Christmas? And when does Hanukkah start? Inside your Notes application, again, you're looking for the Apple Intelligence icon located on the top of your app. You can ask Apple Intelligence to rewrite, summarize, highlight key points from a text, and in a different video, I will even show you how to connect your Apple Intelligence to ChatGPT for even more features. I hope this video helped you. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media to stay connected. I'll see you in the next video.